Hi everyone. Today we will see how to enable the experience clouds or community cloud. Right now you can see if you type all site, uh, no matching items are found. So if you want to if you want to enable the experience cloud or community cloud, then search for digital experience digital. In that, click on setting. Now see, to enable the digital experience means experience cloud or the community cloud, you have to enable this checkbox. Enable. Now save it. In sandbox, it will ask you to create our domain. Right now, see here you can see the new. You can click the new and customer service. This like this. So now it's enable. Now you can see all site will be available here. See under the digital explain. Earlier it was not visible. Thank you.